Lenovo has released its new Lecoo Air 14 laptop. The Lecoo Air 14 is a portable machine built around a unibody all-metal chassis that is just 12.95 mm thick. It comes with a 14-inch display, offering a 1200 by 1920 pixel resolution with a 6 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits of peak brightness, and 100% sRGB color coverage. The screen also supports DC dimming. The laptop is powered by the Intel Core 5 315 processor with 6 cores and 6 threads. The laptop also includes a 65-watt USB-C pad charger. User can get full function USB-C ports on the left side, while the right side houses another USB-C 5 Gbps port and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. It is paired with 12 GB of memory and a 512 GB SSD. The laptop ships with Windows 11 pre-installed. The laptop price is $664 US. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.